First time kong gagawin to. So, this is my reaction video doon sa nangyaring event here in Isabela, which is the Queen Isabela. First, for me personally, I think si San Mateo, she's one of my bias. And I think she deserves to be one of the top 5. Not know if you agree or not, pero for me, I think she deserves it. And the second one is the bashing na nare-receive ni Miss Ilagan ngayon. I'm not saying this because I'm from Ilagan, pero imagine that you were the last one to answer the Q&A. Katayo ka sa isang stage, lahat ng attention na sa'yo. Nag-aantay yung mga tao kung sasablay ba or papatok yung sagot mo, di ba? Syempre, huy, sino bang hindi papapressure doon, girl? She wasn't able to deliver her answer during the Q&A. Tapos, alam niya sa sarili niya na marami siyang na-letdown ng mga tao. Tapos, pagtingin niya pa ng social media niya, binabash pa siya. Alam niya yung feeling na ganun, na parang, alam niya na nasa sarili niya na parang, people will think na luto tong nangyari, ganito, ganyan, etc. etc. Uy guys, hindi madaling sumali sa mga ganyan-ganyan na. Hindi naman biro yung mga training na pinagdadaanan nila. Kaya, if you have nothing nice to say, just keep it to yourself. Miss Ilagan, if you're seeing this, don't let those negative comments and those negative people define who you are. Because I know there are people out there who are proud of you and you deserve the crown kasi you've earned it, diba? Wait lang yung aso ko.